Hi friends, welcome. Can a AI tool completely replace a developer by completing the end-to-end task? We'll see that. For that purpose, we'll take a Excel file, convert it into a SQLite database, then using PHP script, we'll display all the records, and also we'll add one or two filters to it so to narrow down our display. Now, during this entire process, we'll not use any code. We'll give the prompts to our AI tool, and the AI tool will return us the code which we'll integrate. Towards the end, we'll find the answer whether it in future this is going to replace entirely or right now can it replace. We'll answer all these questions. Let's start. Visit this URL, it is there in the description, and here in different format the sample student table as it is shown your ID, name, class, mark and gender. A simple student file, you can download it. So Excel file from here will download. In my ChatGPT, I started by uploading that student Excel file, here the plus button, and uploading here the option it gives add file. Like that I have added it and written this prompt. Use this attached student Excel file, return me the SQLite database file, give the file name as my_db.db and table name as student. It has tried a lot experimenting with same code, of course, multiple times, but it could not give me the downloadable SQLite file. At the end it gave me all this. Here is the code. I have just used this one. Here it is. This code, this few lines of code, this is the standard code where I will be using pandas to convert a Excel file to SQLite. The source can be anything else also. So this same code will use. Here is the small Python code I have used by importing pandas, then SQLite connector string. A path I have given here where my source of my Excel file. So anyway, this I don't expect any chat AI tool will know. So subsequently here what my destination will be, and I have specified the database name, file name, and similarly the table name also I kept it as same as student. So let's run this and convert it. So fine, it got converted using the same code given by ChatGPT. Here is my prompt at ChatGPT. Now I want to display the record. So I expect the return the code. So you can read this, my prompt here. So now let's run this and check the output. Now I asked for give me both the files which will display and the second file which will pull the record. So it has used the same, these names I have specified. So it has given me the code for this. Directly we'll copy this code, place it in our localhost and experiment with that. Now let's just see. Both it is still writing. Yeah, so it has given me both the files, load data.php, two files I asked that it has given. Let's copy one by one and place it in our local host. These are the three files. Load data, which will pull the data from MyDB and send it to main.php file. This file, when I open it, I should be able to see the records. Let us start by opening our localhost. Here it is. I am just student main.php. So here the button, I will click this. So all the records are up to 35 records are displayed here. So entirely we have not added any code here. Now let's add two filters here. Now this is my prompt here. Add one filter at the top to give user selection a drop down list to select one class. The options are to be collected from the class column of student table. Let's just run it and see. Now it has to change both the files because the drop down to be inserted and at the same time the filter to be added to the load data.php file. So both file code it has to give me. Fine, it has first given me the main code. Okay, fine. Let's just see main code. I can copy it. Then below that it should give me, okay, it's still writing. Okay, it has, let's just go down. Okay. This is load data PHP and get the class. Okay, it has given me one more extra file to add it. So here is the main file. It has added the filter. Now I had to create one more file here, the get classes, because this is a JSON string. It returns as to get the options. And in the third case, the load data, which pulls the data from the student table, that filter it modified. Let's copy this code and create the file and we'll see the result. we have created this get classes, the file, new file, and the load data and main file we have updated. Just I can show you the code here. You can see main, load data I have uploaded and updated, and get classes. This is a small file which picks the data from the table and display it in a JSON encode. We are here in our main.php in the local host. I am refreshing it. Now I have got the drop down all classes. I can see this, it has picked up nicely from the column all the unique values of the class column. So there are around 35 students, so each multiple classes there, so it picks up that. If I am not selecting anything, then I am clicking load data, it pulls all the data. But if I am selecting a particular, let's say class 5, and load data, it restricts to 5 now. Now again I will change it to say 7, load the data, so it shows me the 7. Similarly, I can also add one more filter here, gives me the gender also. Like whatever it is, I can keep on extending. It will give me a one additional file because it's using that, and give me the code for my main and the change in filter. If you understand the PHP code, here it is, the load data also, you can see this is the exactly the code. I have just copied it from there and used it. I have not written any single word also. Select star from student, then in the SQL the command I am getting, here you can see all the filters it is adding. So it takes the see here class filter, it is adding it here. Class filter, if class filter is not null, means everything is not selected, then it adds to the restriction where condition, and you can see it uses the PDO. If you understand the code, it's a very simple and almost standard code only it has used. That's all, friends. Now you can decide that can you totally replace a developer by using a AI tool, because many places we have seen a interference or a developer has to change the code a bit here and there, get some output, change it, all those things are required. And moreover, the entire process idea the developer must have to get the best output from the AI tool. So AI tool can increase the productivity, but right now the technology cannot replace it from end to end. What you feel about that? Write it in the below the comment section, and my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add such type of analysis to our list. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.